Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the battery option. So it is, well, close to the top. Let's tap on it. Then simply tap on the battery percentage, on the switcher on it. And as you can see, your device will immediately apply the percentage inside the battery icon. Unfortunately, we do not have any other options of presenting the battery percentage, but it's still readable and useful. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.